Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today a quick video on a Land Rover Discovery, guys. We'll show you how to add transmission fluid, how to add some fluid if you need to, because in our case what happened, one of the transmission hoses came loose and we lost some fluid. So stay with us, we're gonna go through the process and show you quick if you need to drain it, where the drain plug is and how to add fluid. It doesn't have a dipstick. As you know, most cars have dipstick on top, this one doesn't. So we need to go and work underneath now. Okay guys, so with a 5mm Allen wrench, okay, you can actually drain the transmission, okay, the transmission fluid from right there. Okay, this is the plug for the transmission fluid, that's where you drain it. But now, in order to add some, what you guys need to do, you need an 8mm Allen wrench, and it is towards the front. Okay, right there. There is another plug. Okay, you can see where the drain is, and the other one is on the front side of the transmission pan. So get this one loose and you need to remove it. Okay, always inspect the seal, because sometimes the seal might be bad on those. Okay, we got it out. Next you see what we need to do. Now we need to get a hose. Okay, you can see what this one is, about 3 feet long. Will be great. Okay, a small funnel, and we're going to feed the hose, and do that when the engine is cold, guys, because you'll be close to the exhaust here and you don't want to burn yourself. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, just feed it through here, give it to one person that's underneath, and we're going to actually put that hose in the plug that we removed on the front side. Okay, right there, with the 8mm Allen wrench that we removed there. Okay, I took the light so I can show you better, guys. Okay, this is the bottom of the transmission, and you can see where the hose goes now. So we'll leave the hose there, and the point is we're going to add fluid until it starts leaking out of that hole that we removed the plug and where the hose is. Once it does, it's full. If the transmission was completely empty, you have to run it through all the gears and come back and check it again and add more. Okay, you can see this is the funnel now. Okay, right here. So I'm just going to add fluid from here now. Okay, so now it's time to add the fluid, and it's a little bit tricky here to go around the exhaust and stuff, because in our case the exhaust is still warm. Okay, and you slowly keep adding fluid, guys, until it starts running from underneath, from that drain plug there. In our case it will take probably about, we probably lost about 2.5 quarts. Usually on those, when you drain it, it really depends, but you get around 4 to 5 quarts out of the oil pan. I think the transmission capacity is 10 quarts, but you always have some in the cooler, torque converter, valve body, so you won't be able to get all of it. Okay guys, so we'll keep adding until it starts leaking from there, and we're going to show you what to do next. Okay guys, so we added the oil, now it started leaking from the hose, you can see. So when we pull it out, we might have even a little bit more, and we'll just go ahead and install the plug now. It's right where it's supposed to leak now. We probably have about 0.2 quarts more, because we have some in the hose, as you can see. But that will be the whole procedure, guys. You need to make sure that you drive it, go through all the gears and check it again. That's the check plug, and that will be all. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.